Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful morning. Check out the monkeys. Yeah, scratching his ass. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. My Bitcoin trade now, $217,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. I'm going to look at Ethereum technical analysis. I'm going to pick two winners for two prizes from yesterday. Oh, shit. Monkey above my head. Oh. Okay, let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're jumping into the charts, and on Bitcoin you can see on the weekly charts, volume predicts price. The main thing I'm watching is this volume continue to rise. We have 4 days left, so it looks like this volume candle is still going to be a big one. The crypto guru bot fired a blue buy back on February 2023, and it's still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at the 48k ETF. It didn't refire a buy. So again, make sure you use all indicators together. Let's go closer on the daily chart. So what that means is you're looking at the price of Bitcoin. Now each of these candles, Japanese candlesticks, represent 1 day in the market. And you can see yesterday we had a bullish, this I would say is a bullish hammer candle. So what is a hammer candle? A hammer candle is when the price wicks down, then comes back up and then closes near where it was. So you can see here, came down, wicked back up, closed near where it was. So that's a bullish candle. Let's go closer on the 4 hourly. Any major patterns that we're seeing here? Got a trend line here. You can say we're in this very tight channel on the closer timelines. We're at the top of the channel on this timeline right now. That third to fourth corrective wave could have been it, but at the moment, I don't think so. I don't think we had the third to fourth corrective wave. Let's see if there's any major. That pattern yesterday kind of wicked everyone out. It was a bullish pennant. I asked people on Twitter to guess, to answer the question. Bullish pennant was the answer. I'm going to pick a winner of that question, but it actually broke down on the bullish pennant. Kind of not broke down. We had the inflation rates come out, and it wicked up and then shot down and then bounced back. So it kind of wrecked any patterns there, but it is showing strength. The volume boarded up. You had a V-shaped recovery on that drop, but it was quite a big one, from 73,000, 68,000, V-shaped recovery back to 72,000. That's why I'm setting my buy orders pretty low now in case there's any wicks, because then you're straight away in it like a big profit if it wicks down. So where I would take a trade now on Bitcoin, I would take it again in case some kind of news or wick comes out. My goal when Bitcoin is running up, if I was trying to get into a trade, is to catch it on the big wicks down or to buy into alts on massive sell red days. So this is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Let's get rid of previous supports now, because now this 70k is holding. Bitcoin now has the previous all-time high is acting as a very strong support now. I would open a trade. The previous all-time high is 69,160. I would open a trade at 69,160 actually, because now people are going to use that previous all-time as a major support. Stop loss will be under the weekly, 68,000. So what does that mean? The gray line is where my trades will set to open. The red line is where the trades will automatically close. And the green line is where I take the profits, 88,000 and 115,000. Risk to reward on this trade, 274. Risking $167 to make $46,000 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, $460,000. 100x leverage, 4.6 million. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, risking 167 per Bitcoin to make 46,000 with no leverage, which is beautiful. That's the trade I would be taking there. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, going underneath the video, down below, underneath on your phone, going down below underneath the video, one is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. I was going to give a Bybit giveaway campaign. Oh, I could still set it up really quick. If I pause the video and edit it, I could set it up and give away this Bybit campaign. But I'll give people more chance. So make sure you sign up to Bybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. But if you sign up with this link, in my next video, so either tonight or tomorrow, I'm going to give away $1,000 on Bybit. So make sure, and I'm going to release that competition in the next video, tomorrow morning's video. So make sure I'm going to give people more chance. Sign up using that link. Then I'm going to give away $1,000, and I've been giving away thousands of dollars every single day for a very so make sure you follow me. Guru courses, take all the courses. Take the crypto master course for the Bitcoin indicator bot, crypto guru bot. 3, join us in the Telegram. 9,000 of you trading together. Only join the Telegram after you've done step 1 and step 2. I don't want people in the Telegram who haven't taken the courses and then you're just asking other students who have other gurus who've already taken the courses. You're just asking them the same questions that have been answered in the courses. So make sure you take the courses. They're $333, 22 years of my investing experience, and it's going to save you. I lost thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars learning how to trade over 22 years. If you take the course, you get all my knowledge much easier. And if you think I'm trying to just sell you courses because I don't have money like a lot of other people, this is my Bitcoin trade, $218,271 in the profits, 218,000 US dollars, 1,767% on my Bitcoin trade. The funding fee on Bitcoin is 0.05, so that drop reset the funding fee a little bit. But it is quite costly to keep trades open now, like around $600 a day on my nearly, what's 6 times 72,000? 6 times 7, 30, 42, $420,000 trade. I'm paying around $600 a day. My account, $904,894 US dollars, 904, almost $1 million. If you've been following the journey of this account from 150,000 to 904,000, quite amazing. In the last 7 days, I went from 822,000 to 904,000, so I made $82,000 this week. Last month, I went from 580,000 to 904,000, so I made $324,000 this month, which is beautiful. How many of you have made $324,000 this month? Beautiful trades, and it's actually a lot. If you join us in the Telegram, you'll see that it's a lot of the gurus are making these kind of gains. It's not just me. You can see people like make these. There's 100 of you online. This guy made 37%. This guy made $38,000. These are my students making $38,000 on one trade. Congratulations to Crypto Trader, amazing. I mean, you can just see people's trades, discussions. There's 100 of you online chatting. This is just this morning. It's just after sunrise. And you can see many people trading together. This guy made 35%, 91%. They're talking about Bitcoin a lot. Bitcoin, GRT, people discussing trades, 125% on Bitcoin, 317% XRP, and you can just see pages and pages. This was just yesterday as well. You can see it's chats, like thousands of you are chatting every day. Let's see what this guy's trades were. Minus 28%. It's okay to learn. This guy made $20,000, which is beautiful, and you can join them in the Telegram. That link is down below. Now let's go into, I'm going to pick the winner. Also, my OKX 10K 10K to $1 million challenge. If you followed my videos when I was in Egypt, it's now at almost $41,000. From 10K to $41,000. I've got Bitcoin and WorldCoin in that account, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to do TA on Ethereum, and then I'm going to pick 2 winners of that comp. I gave away some prizes. So I'm going to quickly go into Ethereum. Also, MCRT was up around this week. It's up on the Magic Craft Runner game release, 25% this week, which is beautiful. Good job, MCR team and Muxit, the CEO, doing amazing. Let's go into Ethereum. They're building amazing tech, by the way. It's a great team, full-time team that is just working amazing. CEO Muxit is just really great CEO. Okay, this is big Ethereum. Pulling back a little bit, but you can see it's just on this constant up trend line. We could even draw this trend line. You see? Some parabolic trend line here on the 4-hourly. And volume is growing on Ethereum. Oh shit. Look at this giant, everyone see this? Huge cup and handle forming here. 4,800 is the target. And then once that hits that, I think it's going to do something like that. And what is that pattern, everyone? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think that pattern is. And if this pattern plays out, my students will know straight away what this pattern is. If this pattern plays out on Ethereum, the target would be $8,000 for Ethereum, everyone. $8,000 for Ethereum would be the target, which is beautiful. $8,000 for Ethereum would be the target. This is a crazy target, but it would happen on a pullback to get that cup and handle formation, but it still go up to 38,000. Where I would open a long right now on Bitcoin, trying to get into this trade to take that profit at 8,000 would be amazing. It would be off this trend line. You can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum's climbing this trend line, so I would take it off this trend line here. Tight stop loss and take profit. Target 8,800. Then you're going to get a big rejection from that cup and handle. But the longer term target would be then that $8,000 target, which risk reward ratio is quite high. 48 times, I think. There's a lot of support here at the $3,800 mark. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum, opening at 3843, stop loss 3829, take profit 4,883 and 8,309 risk to reward ratio, risking $13 to make $4,196 per Ethereum. Now I'm going to pick the winner of those prizes that I gave away in my Twitter. So I'm going to go into Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter, or X as they call it now, and I'm going to give away some presents. So this is on Twitter. I've got 85,200 followers. Make this man famous. Everyone follow him, follow me, retweet, comment why you think I like him, who with his thoughts about socialism. I'll choose one winner with the right answer for 400 USDT in my next video. This guy's Adam Morgan. Everyone follow him on Twitter, Representative Adam Morgan. What he says is amazing. Listen to this.
The people in Colombia, that the lobby wants me to either not vote or to vote green on this. But my constituents want me to vote red, and they want their tax money spent on core government functions, on their roads, on their schools. That's what they want their money spent on. So they don't want us in here trying to play this government planning thing where we in our bureaus can figure out where the job should be, who should be employed, how much money should be allocated where in the private sector. It never works. It's socialism. It's never worked anywhere before.
This is exactly what my question was. I said, comment why you think I like him, his thoughts about socialism, because socialism doesn't work. America was built and the world was built on capitalism. When you have these government bureaucratic shitheads living off your taxes, living off your money, and not putting rules and restricting your freedom, socialism is what will kill the world, just like it's already proved that it doesn't work. Only free capital markets saved the world from destruction and built this amazing world that we have now. Push for capitalism. Any government official that's trying to take your money to give it to other people, or take your money and make extra fees, extra taxes, extra regulations, they're going to fuck up your economy, just exactly like what happened to Argentina. And now this new president's coming in and he's destroying all this shit. Follow that Adam guy. He's amazing. What he says is amazing. And there's more to his speech. People are going crazy about it. Make him famous. Follow him. Adam Morgan. I'm going to choose one winner because socialism doesn't work. And you can just see here people's comments in the last hour. I want to load them all. Show more replies. Because he's not just a leader. He's a listener and a doer, dedicated to making a real difference in our community. And you can see I just load everyone's replies and I'm going to pick the winner. So the winner, there's only a few comments. It was only 1 hour ago. He listens, works for the community because politicians can be bought, and this man's trying to fix the corrupt system. The fact that he wants to defend his constituents and representatives. You like him because he's against all representation of socialism, such as taxes. Here, taxes being used in everything except core government functions. Exactly. Congratulations, Mr. All Things. You win 100 USDT. And I've got some trading challenge that I did yesterday. I've got to find those other ones. We'll keep going down. Congratulations. Exactly correct. This was epic. Never heard of this man until today. Whoever he is, he's now on the map. Magic Craft introducing Magic Verse. The Web3 ecosystem expands, more games, more earning potential. You can play games and earn money. And I believe the world is going to push MCRT like crazy, everyone. So make sure you pay attention to it. Do your own research. I am a seed investor in this project. The team is amazing. But why I think it's going to happen is because all of this automation. I think that play-to-earn games are going to come in, and crypto is going to come in and bridge this pay gap as automation takes over a lot of jobs. So that's why I really built MCRT, to help people. We are excited to share our updating audit report for Magic Craft delivered by Certic MCRT. It now has a 90% credit score on Certic. Certic is the blockchain auditor, and we've fundamentals 84, operations 91, governance 93, market 93, community 95, code 86, percentile top 10%. Double A rating on Certic, which is beautiful. Congratulations, MCRT team. My entries on Bitcoin, Doge, Uni, and World are amazing. Look at these entries, everyone. This is my buys on Bitcoin. You can see my buys on Bitcoin at 38K, my trade. This is my buys on Doge at 0.07 on the bouncing off the bottom. Look at that, my buy now at 0.16. You followed all of these buys as well. Uniswap at $5.50, now $13. WorldCoin at $2. Now $9.90. Congratulations, all of the gurus who follow me. We survived the bear market. We deserved the gains of the bull market, and we did pass through a brutal bear market. And you can just, there's a new Magic Craft game update. Bitcoin just wicked everyone out. That was my video yesterday. I'm trying to find I had another competition. I need to pick the winner. Follow Maqsid Ali. If you're in MCRT, follow Maqsid Ali, CEO and head of legal of Magic Craft. He's amazing, and he's talking about the philosophy behind Magic Runner. Changing lives every day. You can see many people. Thank you, James. You changed my life. James, the golden words, take action, volume predicts. James, brother, you're the best. I hope seeing your videos, you're never wrong. If a boat moves through the sea, other boats kilometers away will feel the waves. If you think all these wars and deaths around the world are not affecting you, you're wrong. It's one sea. Make sure you're stopping violence, hate, murder, death, war all around the world, because it's one sea. Every ripple of the ocean, every ripple on the sea affects all the boats. So make sure you don't believe anything you're told. Don't believe anything that you see on TV. Question and discover everything for yourself, everyone. Don't try to feed people with an empty plate. You'll both starve. If you really want to help people, fill your plate with food and then feed people. JCG giving back. I gave over $1,400 to the community yesterday, which is beautiful. But I want to find... okay, this is the competition. Finally found it. What do you see forming on Bitcoin? One win of 100 USDT. Follow me here on YouTube to win. Retweet, comment your answer, and hashtag 3 of your top crypto projects. I'll pick the winner in my next video. And there's many replies. This guy's saying, I'm a bit tight with my prizes for a billionaire. I've given away a lot of money. I don't know why people... I've actually never met anyone in my entire life who's given more charity than me. I did crazy charity. I don't want to boast. I want to motivate you to also do charity. That's the only reason I share this kind of charitable stuff. Okay, let's load more. Everyone do charity. If you make money from me, you need to give 10%. This is one rule. If you want to be one of the gurus, if you want to be in my community, if you want to keep learning from me, every time you make $10, you need to give $1 away to charity directly around you every day. If you make $10,000, you need to give $1,000 away to charity that day. If you make $1 million, you give $100,000 to charity that day. 10%, like Jesus said, or the Bible, 10% of your earnings, give it to charity. People directly around you that need help, give it to them. That's why I'm making you all rich. I want abundance for all, and I want you to help the world. I want you to make the world better. My goal is to make the world better. All the pains and sufferings that I went through, I want to make sure they don't exist when I leave this world, and that should be all of your jobs. Everyone, use this abundance, use this knowledge that I give you. I've made hundreds of thousands of millionaires and multimillionaires. I want you to all learn from my teachings and help the world and make it a better place. Make people comfortable, make all life comfortable around you at whatever stage of life they are, whatever life it is, make it comfortable around you. That's your goal. That's your job. That's your karma. Okay, I'm going to pick a winner for this bullish pennant. So many answers. Bullish pennant was correct. Bullish pennant correct. Bullish pennant correct. Many people got this. I'm going to load all the answers. I want everyone. We had so many responses. Whoa, amazing, guys. Great job. So many responses. Okay, I'm going to give away the prize. Look at all these responses. Okay, I'll keep loading more because there's so many. Bullish pennant, exactly. Okay, I'm going to pick a winner. Oh, thank you all for the following. Thank you for all these answers. Thank you, everyone. Good luck. Vicky, thank you. Okay, ready? I'm going to... Oh, there's still more. Okay, I got to load more. Okay, there's a lot, so I'm going to just quickly scan through, load it all. Okay, I'm going to pick a winner. Ready? And it's going. And the winner is bullish pennant pattern. Okay, Darren, it's a bullish pennant, but it is a pennant pattern. Bullish pennant is also correct, but I would say bullish pattern. I won't be so picky when I give away prizes and about the wording. Congratulations. My team will contact you with just only share BEP20 public USDT address, and they will contact you guys to choose the winners, to send you your prizes. That's everything I wanted to show, I think, and which is beautiful. Thank you all for watching. Congratulations to the winners. Hit subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.